Okay, hello everyone. So, in this particular class, I will be discussing with you one topic on which every year we get questions. Last year also, in last paper rather, I can say, there were two questions based on probability, right? So, probability is one thing which we generally start according to CBSE board and CRT books, right? That is from class 8th, right? 8th, 9th, 10th. So, that's why there are high chances to get at least two questions based on probability every year. Okay, so what actually is probability? Let me discuss that thing first with you, and then we'll be doing certain questions. Now, as such, the kind of questions which I have seen in past year, that is where there is no usage of the topic permutation and combination, right? Permutation combination is one topic which we used to discuss in class 11, right? But the questions I have seen there, there were no usage of permutation and combination. So we also will be doing questions where there will not be any usage, or I can say much usage, right? One or two things definitely in permutation combination I will be telling you, but not more than that, right? Because that is not required for us, right? So what actually probability is? So probability is nothing but chances of anything to happen, chances of anything to happen, right? So chances कैसे find करने हैं? Okay, so अगर suppose I will tell you one thing, that suppose I roll a die, right? There are 6 faces on die. On every face there is a distinct number. So all the numbers from 1 to 6 are there on the die, right? So if I say, if I roll a die, then what is the probability to get an even number on the top of the die, right? So I will say 1 to 6, how many even numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, right? So out of these three numbers, if any of the number comes, so what are the chances of getting those three numbers on the top? So can I say this is 3 out of total 6, right? So this 3 is what that is called favorable outcome, right? That is favorable outcome. So what I desire is an even number on the top, right? So accordingly we will do the question, that chances are means percentage. Percentage means desirable things divided by total number of things into 100. So I will say, what is favorable chances? What are favorable chances? 3, right? 3 ways में हम ला सकते हैं even number on the top of the die, that is 2, 4 or 6, right? So this 3 out of 6, these are my chances. So I will say 3 divided by 6 matlab 1 divided by 2 means 50%, right? The chances of getting an even number on the top face of the die is 50%, right? So in this way we have to think for every question. So in every question what I am going to do, number of favorable ways divided by total number of ways, right? So favorable is what is according to condition I need, that I will write in the numerator, and what can be total number of possible cases, that I will write in the denominator, right? So let's see. So probability, right? So probability of an event E to happen, PE, right? We denote it like PE, probability of that event. Event is what? Rolling a die, right? That is equal to what? Favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So every time what I need to do, favorable by total. What is that? Favorable by total. And I need to calculate. Now, if you see probability of any of the number will lie from 0 to 1, right? Or if I think in terms of percentages, then 0% to 100%, right? So if there is a sure shot event probability is, that is 100%, and if I know this is an impossible event to happen, right, 0%. Now, probability of an event not to happen, we generally denote it by PE dash, right? So, happening plus not happening is always equal to 1, right? So, or I can write probability of any event not to happen is 1 minus probability of that event to happen, right? So, PE dash is equal to 1 minus probability of that event to happen, right? Okay. Now, there are certain things which we need to know beforehand, like the questions which come are generally based on uh, coins. If I am tossing a coin, or if I am rolling a die, or I am drawing a card from 52 playing cards, right? So first of all, let's discuss all of things basics, then we start with questions on that. And apart from that also there will be general questions, okay, that also I will discuss with you. Okay, so first of all, total number of outcomes. So outcomes are what? Example I have just given to you, that if I roll a die, right? So number, how many ways I can get even number on the top. So getting an even number of the top is my favorable outcome. Total outcomes can be what? Outcomes means क्या क्या आ सकता है, right? So total number of outcomes on a die is 1 to 6. Total 6 numbers are there, right? So 6 outcomes overall are there. So अभी क्या है? Total number of outcomes when a coin is tossed n number of times, or n coins are tossed together, that is 2 to the power n, right? जैसे suppose I toss coin 1 and coin 2, right? So coins whatsoever we toss are generally different from each other, okay? So coin 1, coin 2 if I toss, so in which head or tail, coin 1 कुछ भी आ सकता है, second coin again head or tail, that may come. So if both the coins are tossed together, then how many possibilities overall will form, right? Either this is head head, right, or head tail, then first coin tail, second coin head, and on both the coins I will get tail, right? So there are 4 possibilities. So 4 possibility generally we say that coin 1 number of outcomes is what? 2. Coin 2 number of outcomes is also 2. So total number of outcomes means ये जो combinations बन जाते हैं, right? These are combinations. So that combinations, whenever combinations will form, total number of ways will be given by product of these two, right? So that is 2 square. All right, that is 4. Now if suppose there are 3 coins, on every coin the chances are of getting head and tail. So again combinations will form like this: head head, tail tail tail, tail tail, head tail tail, head head, right? So total number of combinations which will form, this is 2, this also is 2, this also is 2. So total outcomes will be 2 cube, right? So you can see if 2 coins are tossed, total outcomes 2 square. 3 coins are tossed, total number of outcomes will be 2 cube. There are 8 possibilities, right? So if n number of coins are tossed, if n number of coins are tossed, then total number of outcomes will be what? 2 to the power n. Okay, one thing. Second, if suppose one coin I toss 2 times, first time and second time, right? So first time again head or tail anything may come, second time again head or tail anything may come. So when I am tossing one coin only, So this is possible that on the first time head is coming, second time also head is coming. First time head, second time tail. First time tail, second time head. First time tail, second time tail also, right? So again, can I say number of combination is what? 2 into 2, that is 2 square. Okay. So in the same manner, if I toss is for n times, so total number of outcomes should be what? 2 to the power n. Okay, clear? Done. So now I hope this statement is clear. Total number of outcomes when a coin is tossed n number of times, or n coins are tossed together, that is 2 to the power n, right? Now the second thing is total number of outcomes when a die is rolled n number of times, right? So if a die is rolled n number of times, or n die are rolled together, that is 6 to the power n, because on a die total number of outcomes are what? In on a single die there are 6 possibilities, 1 to 6. Suppose there are 2 die, die 1 and die 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So these are 2 die. Now what is total number of outcomes? If on die 1, second die also 1, die 1 is 1, then 2 1 and 3 1 and 4 1 5 1 6. So with 1 there are 6 possibilities, with 2 also 6 possibilities, 3 also. So for all the 6 there are 6 possibilities, right? So total number of possibilities or total number of combinations, basically these are combinations, will be 6 into 6, that is 6 square, right? So if there are 2 dice, number of combinations, total number of combinations means total number of outcomes, that is 6 square. So if n number of dice are there, then total number of combinations will be what? 6 to the power n, right? So I know if I roll 2 dice, then total number of outcomes will be how many? 36. Okay, so ये एक दो चीजें ध्यान रखनी है. Now apart from that, one more thing, that is composition of a deck of cards. Okay, in deck of cards there are total 52 cards, right? 26 are black and 26 are red cards, right? Then there are 4 suits. Now what are those 4 suits? That is hearts, club, diamond and spade, right? They are called suits. So how many suits are there? 4 suits are there. Okay, now in these 4 suits, black cards are spade and club. So we can see spade and club, they are black in color, right? So black in color, total 26 cards. So equal number of cards are there in every suit. So 13 spades and 13 clubs. 13 spades and 13 club. Then red cards, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. So hearts and diamond, right? They are red cards, red color. So 13 hearts and 13 diamond. Okay, now in every suit, right? In every suit there are 13 cards, right? Now what are those 13 cards, right? 13 cards are from 2 to 10. These are what? Numbering. And after that there are faces, and on one more card, that is ace, right? So this is total how many cards, right? From 2 to 10, these are 9, then 10, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So these are 13 cards. Okay, so this is called Jack, Queen, King. This is called Jack, Queen, King. Rather, I will write one is Ace, J, Q, K. Right. So these are 13 cards in any of the suit where this J is called Jack, Q is Queen, K is King. Okay. So these are the card. This A is called Ace, right? And from 2 to 10, they are called number cards. They are called number cards. Okay, then some face cards are there. So face cards, there are three cards, King, Queen, and Jack. On all the three cards, you will find faces are there. Then honor cards, right? Honor cards. The honor cards is what? King, Queen, Jack plus Ace also. So all together, these are called honor cards. A, Q, A, K, Q, J, right? They are honor cards. Now, if you see, what is total number of face cards are there in total deck, right? Deck of 52 cards, right? So in every suit there are three. How many suits are there? Four. So total 12 cards are there, which are face cards in the deck. How many honor cards in every suit? Four. So four in every suit, 4 into 4. 16 cards in total deck are honor cards. And then number cards, if you see, how many number cards are there from 2 to 10? 9 cards in every suit, right? And how many suits are there? 4. So total 36 number cards are there. Okay, so this is the composition of a deck of 52 cards. Okay. And my suggestion to you is, because last year also there were two questions and I think both the questions were on cards, playing cards, right? So if some of the times it happens that you might not have seen the deck of cards. So my suggestion to you is, there is no harm in looking at this 52 playing cards, right? Just try to understand for our understanding purpose that there are four suits, in every suit ranks, how ace, king, queen, jack, right? So that kind of thing should fit in your mind, right? So once you keep that thing in mind, then you can solve the questions in a better way. Okay. Sorry. Now can we start with the questions? Okay, then there will be general questions also, that also I will discuss with you. Right, in this, if four fair coins are tossed together, what is the probability of getting exactly three heads? So when four coins are tossed together, right, then what is total number of outcomes? Because probability, when I write, that is every time you have to think like this: favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, right? So if four coins are tossed, so I know that total number of outcomes will be 2 to the power 4. So 16 possibilities will be there. Out of 16, what is saying? Exactly 3 heads, right? So suppose coins, exactly 3 heads means on 3 coins there would be head. Exactly 3 heads means fourth will be what? Tail. Now tell me, थोड़ा सा अगर हम सोचे तो ये कितने तरीके से हो सकता है? टेल कैन कम हियर, टेल में कम ऑन द थर्ड कॉइन एज वेल, तो बाकी 3 पर हेड आ जाए, तो दैट इज अगेन एग्जैक्टली 3 हेड्स. टेल में कम ऑन द सेकंड कॉइन, देन remaining 3 should be heads. Tail may come on the first coin and remaining 3 coins will have head on them, right? So exactly 3 heads. ये जो टोटल 16 वेज होंगे, टोटल 16 2 टू द पावर 4, 16 आउटकम्स में से कितने आउटकम्स ऐसे हैं जो फेवरेबल है, जिसमें एग्जैक्टली 3 हेड्स आ रहे हैं? तो हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर देयर? 4. और तो कोई नहीं आएगा, right? So I will say this is 4 favorable number of outcomes divided by this. So that is 4 by 16, 1 by 4. ओके, अब इसी में देखिए इस तरीके से हम लोग क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करें, तो जैसे ये वाला क्वेश्चन था, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते एक और. इसमें 3 coins are tossed, 3 coins are tossed together, then find the probability of getting, suppose he asks, at least getting exactly 2 heads, then exactly 3 heads, then at least 1 head, right? So suppose these 3 questions we have to find. In this 3 coins are tossed together, then we have to find the probability of getting these. So when 3 coins are tossed together, coin 1, coin 2, coin 3, right? So what are the possibilities, right? Total how many possibilities should be there? 2 to the power 3, that is 8. That is total number of outcomes. Okay, so may be possible all the 3 will get heads, 1 or 2 are heads, 1 is tail. So 2 heads, 2 coins per head है, 1 per tail. So these 2 coins can be C1, C2, can be C1, C3, can be C2, C3, right? And then on the remaining coin, that would be tail. Okay, this is possibility. Then 1 head and 2 tails, right? So head can be here, then 2 tails, then head can be here and 2 tails, and last is what? All the 3 coins will have tail. So you can see 8 possibilities: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now out of these 8 possibilities, what is saying? Exactly 2 heads. So in how many outcomes we are getting exactly 2 heads, right? So can I say these 3 outcomes are there in which we are getting exactly 2 heads? So how many of them are there? 3. So my answer is what? 3 out of total 8. So favorable by total, right? Then exactly 3 heads. So exactly 3 heads, there is only one possibility in which all the coins will have head on the top. So that is what? 1 by 8, right? Now third is what? At least one head. At least one head means कम से कम एक head तो हो, right? So at least one head means there may be exactly one head, there may be two heads, there may be all three heads also, right? So can I say for third one, right? I want all of them, these all cases, right? So how many cases are there in total? 7 cases. एक ही बचा है ना, right? तो either I know the answer is 7 by 8, right? But हम लोग ऐसे भी आंसर कर सकते हैं. देखिए probability of an event happen and not happen, that sum is always 1, right? That I have shown you in the starting. PE plus PE dash is equal to 1, right? So this also I can write 1 minus probability of getting no head, right? तो 1 माइनस, अब अगर कोई भी हेड नहीं आएगा तो मीन्स एक ही केस बनाना, एग्जैक्टली तीनों पर टेल आ जाए, राइट? कोई भी हेड नहीं आए मीन्स ऑल द 3 विल हैव टेल. तो वन चांस, वन वे आउट ऑफ टोटल 8. So this way also you can write the answer. Okay. So I hope it is clear. जब भी at least word का use हो, at least word का use हो, you can always think in terms of subtracting some of the cases. Okay. चलिए, now we will see some questions based on die. अब देखिए, let's try some questions on dice first of all, right? Okay. Question is, a die is thrown once, is thrown once. Find the probability, find the probability of getting first is an even prime number, second is a multiple of 3, right? Third can be a composite number on the top of the die, right? So when this is there, so if you see a die, single die, so that is very simple, right? To just to make you understand, right? So a die is thrown once. So what are possible number of outcomes? Total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is total number of outcomes. Now an even prime number. So can I say there is only one even prime number, that is 2, right? So answer should be that is one number out of total 6 numbers. So that is the probability, right? Then second is a multiple of 3. So how many multiples of 3 are there? 3 and 6. So only 2 multiples of 3 are there. So my answer is 2 out of 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay, then third is a composite number. So how many composite numbers are there in this range? 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 and 3 are prime. How many composite numbers are there? 4 and 6. So there are only 2 composite numbers in this. So that is 2 out of 6. That is again 1 by 3, right? So I hope with the help of this, that is clear, okay? Okay. Now we will see next question on die, that is two dice are rolled together, right? Find the probability of getting, first is sum of the numbers is 5, right? Then second is even number on both dice. Third is a doublet. Doublet means दोनों डाइस पर सेम नंबर होना चाहिए, राइट? Okay, so sum of the numbers is 5. So if you see, this is dice 1, this is dice 2. On dice 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6. On dice 2 also 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So how can I get numbers ka sum as 5, right? So either on first die 2 comes and second die is 3, or on first die we get 1 and second die it is 4. Okay, so first die 2, second 3, first die is 4, second die is first die is 1, second is 4, right? और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि फर्स्ट पर 3 आ जाए और सेकंड पर 2 आ जाए. दिस इज ऑल्सो ए पॉसिबिलिटी. Then 4 and 1 in the same manner. Okay, clear? So there are 4 possibilities in which the sum we can get as 5. So my answer in that case will be what? 4 is favorable number of outcomes and total number of outcomes is 6 into 6, 6 is square. So my answer is what? 1 by 9, right? That is 1 by 9. Clear? Okay, now let's see the second one. So sum of the number is 5 is 1 by 9. Okay, now second, even number on both the dice. So if I want to have even number on both the die, then what I can do, that suppose on first die it is 2, then second die it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6, right? So how many combinations are there, right? That is 3 with 4 on first die, right? Then again I can have 2, 4 and 6, both the dice even numbers, right? तो first पे 6 आ जाए, second पे 2, 4 and 6. So how many combinations are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 9 combinations are there. Okay. एंड इन द सेम मैनर अब देखते हैं यहां से क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज बनेगी। फर्स्ट पर 2, सेकंड पर 2, फर्स्ट पर 2, सेकंड पर 4, फर्स्ट पर 2, सेकंड पर 6, राइट। देन फर्स्ट पे 4, सेकंड पे 2, फर्स्ट पे 4, सेकंड पे 4, फर्स्ट पे 4, सेकंड पे 6, फर्स्ट पे 6, सेकंड पे 2, फर्स्ट पे 6, सेकंड पे 4, फर्स्ट पे 6, सेकंड पे 6, राइट। सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। तो टोटल कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस बन गए हमारे पास, अगेन 9, जिसमें दोनों पर इवन आ जाएगा। ओके, इट इज क्लियर। सो ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर डन। सो माय आंसर इन दैट केस विल बी 9 आउट ऑफ 36. तो आंसर इज 1/4, right? Then sum is a doublet. So doublet means what? Both the numbers are same. So 2 2 4 4 6 6 3 तो यहां पर है, और क्या हो सकते हैं 1 1 2 2 3 3 till 6 6. So how many doublets can be there? 6 out of total 36 possibilities. So answer here is 1/6, right? So I hope it is clear. Okay, so again that is there. And one more thing, that most probable sum, right? So if you see, if I roll 2 dice, right, कौन सा सम आने के सबसे ज्यादा चांसेस हैं, that is called most probable sum, right? So अगर दो डाइस मैंने रोल करी है, 2 डाइस, राइट, तो मोस्ट probable sum is 7, राइट। बिकॉज अगर आप देखोगे 2 डाइस हैं, क्या क्या सम बन सकता है, मिनिमम सम कैन बी दोनों पर 1 1 आ जाए तो मिनिमम सम कैन बी 2, मैक्सिमम सम दोनों पर 6 6 आ जाए, दैट इज 12. सो कैन आई से दैट इज मिनिमम सम, दैट इज मैक्सिमम सम। ओके, सो देखिए मिनिमम सम कितने वेज में बनेगा, एक ही वे में बन सकता है, तो इस राइट, तो जितने नंबर ऑफ वेज बढ़ते जाएंगे उतने ज्यादा उस नंबर के आने के चांसेस भी बढ़ते जाएंगे, राइट। जैसे 2 का तो एक ही वे है, इसका भी एक है। अगर हम 3 देखें तो 1 2 2 1, डाइस 1 डाइस 2, राइट। फिर 4 देखें तो ऐसे ही 1 3 2 2, फर्स्ट पर 3, सेकंड पर 1, राइट। ऐसे ही 5 के लिए हम लोगों ने अभी देखा 1 4 4 1 2 3 3 2, राइट। ऐसे ही 6 के लिए 1 5 5 1 2 4 4 2 and 3 3, right. So these are number of ways in which 6 can come. Okay, then when you talk about 7, तो 7 के सबसे ज्यादा केसेस बनते हैं, राइट। जैसे 1 6 6 1 2 5 5 2 3 4 4 3, right. And after that suppose you see for 8, राइट। सो 8 के केसेस ऐसा नहीं है कि नंबर इंक्रीज होते रह रहे, केसेस विल आल्सो इंक्रीज। लेट्स सी फॉर 8। सो फॉर 8 1 के साथ तो कोई नहीं बनेगा, 2 6 6 2 3 5 5 3 4 4, right. So again you can see number of cases are reducing. So most probable sum in case of 2 die is what? 7, right. So ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखेंगे। और 7 के आने के चांसेस क्या हैं, कितने केसेस बने, 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो 6 आउट ऑफ 36, so 1/6, right. So what is the probability of getting most probable sum when 2 die are rolled? So most probable sum is 7 and the chances are 1/6. Okay, now let's see the next. again 2 dice are rolled, you have to find the probability of getting some more than 9. अब सम क्या होना चाहिए? more than 9. So again we have to check the cases. So sum more than 9 means sum can be 10, 11 or 12. So 10 आने के cases, 11 and 12 आने cases, right? In all those cases, sum will be more than 9. So how can 10 be there? Right? So with 6, 4, 4, 6 and 5, 5, right? In three ways sum can be 10, 11, 6, 5, 5, 6 and 12 is only 6, 6. तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है ना, आप थोड़ा सा केसेस अंदर बना करके चेक करके देन यू शुड सी, राइट? सो यहां से टोटल कितने केसेस बन गए? 6 are my favorable cases total, and total number of cases in 2 dice are rolled, that is 6 square. So answer is what? 1 by 6. Okay. Okay, let's see. तो यहां तक आइडिया हो गया डाइस का, राइट? नाउ let me discuss you first of all some questions based on let's try this. Now in this, if a die is rolled 2 times, if a dice is rolled 2 times, right? So single die first time, second time, again I know that total number of outcomes will be 6 into 6, 36. What is the probability of the product of the numbers obtained being 12? So product should be 12. So अब हमें सोचना है प्रोडक्ट 12 कैसे आ सकता है? डाइस तो एक ही रोल कर रहे हैं, राइट? फर्स्ट टाइम एंड सेकेंड टाइम. सो 12 को हमें फैक्टर्स में करना है बट 1 to 6 की रेंज में, राइट? तो हो सकता है कि इस पर 2 आ जाए और इस पर 6, और फर्स्ट पर 6 आ जाए, सेकेंड पर 2, right? So in both the cases product would be 12. Now in the same manner you have to search for other cases. So suppose first one we are getting 3, second is 4, और first पर 4 आ जाए, second पर 3 आ जाए, in that way also we can get 12 as the product, right? तो अगर आप देखोगे तो in how many ways we are getting this, right? So that is 4 ways. तो 4 out of total 36 जो कॉम्बिनेशंस बनेंगे उसमें से 4 कॉम्बिनेशंस आर फेवरेबल. तो आंसर इज 1 by 9, right? Okay, a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of cards. Find the probability that it is a king. So how many kings are there? That is 4, right? तो 4 में से कोई एक किंग आ जाए, राइट? तो कितने वेज में आ सकता है? 4 वेज में. या तो हार्ट का किंग आ जाएगा, या डायमंड का किंग आ जाएगा, या स्पेड का है, क्लब का, तो 4 फेज में ये फेवरेबल हो गए। और टोटल इज व्हाट, 1 कार्ड। तो एक कार्ड कितने तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग, कितने अलग अलग तरीकों से, राइट। तो जब भी मैं नंबर ऑफ वेज बोलूंगा, दे ऑल द वे शुड बी different from each other, right? So that is what, 52. So my answer is what, 1 by 13. Okay, तो किंग निकाले, क्वीन निकाले, जैक निकाले, एनीथिंग, राइट। और सपोज आई आज दिस इज, सपोज एक किंग बोला, राइट। सो किंग के प्लेस पर इफ आई से व्हाट द दैट कार्ड सपोज इज ए let's say number card, right? So one card is drawn, what is the probability? One card is drawn, right? So find probability of that it is a face card, this is a number card, this is a red queen, right? So just to have some idea to start with, right? So अब मेरे को ये बताओ, टोटल 1 card is drawn, तो how many face cards do we have? In total 52 cards. So in every suit there are 3 face cards, king, queen and jack. 3 face cards are there in the total deck. Every suit 3, तो total number of face cards कितने थे, 12. तो 12 ways में face card आ सकता है, that is what, favorable, divided by 52, right? So that is 3 by 13. Clear? Now a number card. So how many number cards are there in total deck? In every suit there are 9 number cards, right? Every suit 9. Total 4 suits are there. So 4 into 9 total 36. So 36 ways में एक number card आ सकता है. That is 9 by 13. With 4 we can cancel. Then red queen. So how many queens are there in the deck? 4. Out of 4, 2 are red, 2 are black. Right? So 2 red queens are there. So 2 by 52. So answer is 1 by 26. Right? So I think we have got the idea. Okay, कैसे सोचना है क्वेश्चंस में. अच्छा, नाउ वन मोर थिंग जो हमें करना है, दैट इज व्हाट, इफ ही इज सेइंग इन द प्रोबेबिलिटी that this thing or that thing will happen, then we will add number of ways for both of them. And if we saying this thing and other thing, right, they are happening together, then we will multiply number of ways, right? So एक चीज यहाँ समझ लेते हैं, right? If two or more events means the thing which is happening, right? जैसे drawing a card is an event, right? Two or more events happen together, then you have to multiply number of ways, right? And if either of two or more events happen, now they cannot happen together, right? Either event 1 will happen or 2 will happen or 3 will happen, like this, right? Then you have to add number of ways. Okay, so if the events are happening together, multiply number of ways. If the events are happening either this or that, then you have to add number of ways, right? तो ये दो चीजें बस ध्यान में रखना है. चलिए, now let's try this. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of cards. Find the probability that it is a red numbered card. So how many number cards are there? 36. How many red number cards are there? 18. Right? 9 cards in hearts and 9 cards in diamond. Right? So total 18 cards. 18 ways में red number card आ सकता है. Divided by total number of possibilities to draw one card is 52. So हम 2 से cancel कर लें. 9 by 26. Okay. Okay, so let's try one or two more questions based on that. Okay, so question is, one card is drawn, one card is drawn out of 52 cards, right? Then we have to find the probability that card is, first is either a red card or a king, right? Second is neither a red card, neither a red card nor a queen, right? Sorry, let's try. Okay, so 52 cards, one card is drawn. Now we have to find the probability that it's either a red card or a king, right? So either this or that. So whatsoever be favorable number of ways, we have to add them, right? अब red cards हमारे पास कितने हैं total? 26, 13 and 13, right? Total 13 hearts and 13 diamond, right? Or a king. So how many kings do we have? 4. But out of those 4 kings, 2 kings तो यहाँ पर already आ गए. 2 kings तो heart और diamond में already are there. 13 we have taken. 2 kings और बचे होंगे यहाँ पर. And these 2 will be what? Black kings. राइट, क्योंकि अगर एक ब्लैक किंग भी आ गया तो पर्पस तो हमारा सॉल्व हो गया ना कि एक किंग आना चाहिए, राइट? तो ये 2 ब्लैक किंग्स, so 13 plus 13 plus 2, so favorable by total. So how many favorable ways are there? 26 plus 2, 28 out of total 52 ways, right? So my answer is 4 से we can cancel 7 by 13. Okay, now in the same manner, the second one, neither a red card nor a coin. So हम लोग क्या करें, पहले रेड कार्ड सारे हटा दे और क्वीन सारी हटा दे. तो जो हमने रेड कार्ड हटा दिए तो 26 कार्ड्स तो ये माइनस कर दिए, और इन 26 कार्ड्स में 2 रेड क्वींस भी होंगी, और क्वीन हमें और कौन सी हटानी है, ब्लैक, राइट. ये ब्लैक वाली क्वींस और बची हैं 2. तो ये हमने कितने कार्ड्स हटा दिए, 28 कार्ड्स तो हटा दिए डेक में से. अब जो बचे हुए कार्ड है उसमें से आई कैन पिक एनी ऑफ द कार्ड, सो दिस थिंग विल नेवर हैपन. सो अब प्रोबेबिलिटी हम कैसे लिख ले, फेवरेबल. तो रिमेनिंग कार्ड्स कितने हैं, 52 माइनस 28 दैट इज 24. तो 24 कार्ड्स में से एक कार्ड आ जाए, तो वन कार्ड इज ड्रॉन इन 24 ways डिवाइडेड बाय 52, so that is 6 by 13, right. so these were, आई थिंक कार्ड्स के ऊपर ये जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं दैट यू आपको समझ में आ रहे होंगे, राइट. तो जनरली व्हाट, if there is no usage of permutation and combination, so every time they will give you question based on one card, right. one card is drawn. ओके, सो ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रख सकते हैं आप. तो वन कार्ड के ऊपर बेस्ड ही क्वेश्चंस हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. नाउ आफ्टर कार्ड्स लेट्स डू सम अदर क्वेश्चंस. Okay, now in this two persons A and B, they apply for the same post. If probability of A selected is 1 by 7 and probability of B selecting is 1 by 5, then find the probability to fill the post. तो अब देखिए, two persons A and B, they apply for the same post. तो can I say A or B? So post, same post means एक ही post है, right? एक ही सीट है and two persons are applying. तो possibility क्या है that A select हो जाए, B select ना हो, या फिर A select ना हो और B select हो जाए. अब दोनों select ना हो ऐसा भी नहीं होगा, और दोनों select हो जाए ऐसा भी नहीं होगा. Both of them cannot be selected because one post is there. And what he is asking, probability to fill the post. So both of them are not selecting, not selected. This thing also will not happen. So only two cases will form. Now, if you see for A, probability of A selected, getting selected is 1 by 7. So not selected is 1 minus 1 by 7, that is 6 by 7. Okay, in this A is not selected. In the same manner, probability of B getting selected is 1 by 5. So not selected is 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. Okay, now what will happen, that A is selected, B is not selected. या तो ये हो सकता है A select हो जाए, B select ना हो, या फिर A is not selected and B is selected. तो you can see this or this. तो हम लोग दोनों के केसेस ऐड करने वाले हैं. सेकेंड, A is selected and B is not selected at the same time, right? तो both the events are happening together. Then in that case we will multiply their cases. So A is selected in how many ways A is selected? 1 by 7. B is not selected, 4 by 5. So we'll multiply number of ways or in general probabilities we are multiplying, right? दोनों तरीके से सोच सकते हैं. Plus A is not selected 6 by 7 and B is selected 1 by 5. So that is in the denominator 35, 4 plus 6, 10 by 35. So with 5 we can cancel. The answer is 2 by 7. Okay, clear? Okay. The next is a natural number is chosen at random from 1 to 100. What is the probability that it is a prime number? So for that we need to know how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. I know that is 25 prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. So probability is out of those 25 any number will come divided by total number of numbers is 100. So 1 by 4, right? So this is the probability. 25 prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. So now we'll see this question. What is the probability for a leap year to have 53 Sundays? Okay. So first of all, leap year number of days will be what? 366, because in February there are 29 days. Now in 366 days, any of the year, either it's a normal year or it's a leap year, every week completes 52 times, right? So every week means 7 days into 52 times, right? So that is 364. And if there is a leap year, so 52 complete weeks will be there, plus how many days are left, plus 2 more days, right? 2 more days, right? So in 364, every week comes 52 times, right? So can I say this Sunday already 52 times आ चुका है, right? So Sunday भी कितनी टाइम्स आ चुका है? 52 टाइम्स, राइट? ऑलरेडी आ चुका है अब तक 364 डेज में. अब suppose I start with 1st January and 364 days are gone by. Now remaining number of days is what? 2, and those 2 days will be consecutive days. So if these are consecutive days, so it can be what? Monday Tuesday, or Tuesday Wednesday, or Wednesday Thursday, or Thursday Friday, or Friday Saturday, or Saturday Sunday, or Sunday Monday, right? These are the ways. So अब देखते हैं कितने ways हैं total, right? Last 2 days, right, can happen in these 7 ways. अब इन 7 में से 52 तो है ही, अब इसमें से एक और संडे आ जाए, right? Then we will have how many Sundays? 53 Sundays. So 52 plus 1, right? So one Sunday should be there. So in how many cases one Sunday I can have? Either we can Sunday as the first day or we can Sunday as the second day, right? So there are 2 ways. So how many favorable number of ways? 2 favorable number of ways. So answer is 2 by 7. So ये आंसर हो गया 2 by 7. Okay. ऑल राइट. और सपोज अगर ये लीप ईयर नहीं होता तो 365 होते, ये 1 डे होता तो उस केस में 1 होता तो 1 डे लिखते और उसमें एक ही दिन चाहिए होता. तो नॉर्मल ईयर में आंसर इज 1 by 7 ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस, एंड इन लीप ईयर आंसर इज this. Right, so let's try one more question. Red queens and black jacks are removed from 52 cards, right? From 52 cards, right? Now, out of remaining cards, one card is drawn, right? Then find probability of, now there are one or two cases, probability of that card is a king, red card, face card, and a queen, right? So all the four we have to find the answers. So I hope the question is clear. Red queens and black jacks are removed from the 52 playing cards. Then out of remaining cards, right? Out of remaining cards, one card is drawn, right? Then find the probability that card is a king, a red card, a face card, or a queen. राइट, अब देखिए अगर मैंने एक किंग हटा दिया है, राइट, और मैंने कितने रेड क्वींस हैं, 2 एंड 2 ब्लैक जैक्स, राइट, हार्ट एंड डायमंड, ये स्पेड एंड क्लब, ये हट गए। अब कितने बचे 52 कार्ड्स में से? 48 कार्ड्स। और किंग कितने हमारे पास? 4, तो 4 आउट ऑफ नाउ 48, तो दैट इज 1/12। चलिए अब रेड कार्ड सोचते हैं। तो रेड कार्ड्स कितने बचे होंगे? तो कितने रेड कार्ड्स चले गए? 26 रेड कार्ड्स होते जब ये 2 रेड क्वींस गई, तो हाउ मेनी रेड कार्ड्स आर रिमेनिंग? 24। So out of these 24, any red card may come out and total number of cards is 48. So the probability of this is 1/2. Okay, so face cards. So total number of cards now are 48. Now face cards. So how many face cards are remaining? These two queens face cards. This is also face cards. So face cards total 12 थे, उसमें से ये 4 face cards चले गए, कितने बचे? 8। तो आउट ऑफ रिमेनिंग 8, एनी कार्ड में कम, so that is 1/6, and a queen. So 2 queens are already we have taken out, so remaining number of queens is 2 out of 48, that is 1/24, right? Sorry, now we'll see one more question. Okay, a bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls and some blue balls, right? So if the probability of drawing a blue ball is thrice that of a red ball, find number of blue balls. Find number of blue balls in the bag, right? So अब अगर कभी ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है that a bag contains 5 red balls. So if suppose in this bag there are 5 red balls and let's say x is number of blue balls. So total number of balls in the bags is 5 plus x. So if I say what is the probability of getting a red ball? So how many red balls are there? 5. What is total number of balls? 5 plus x. तो ये आप देख लीजिए एक बार, बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, आपको कुछ करना नहीं है, राइट? बहुत टिपिकल नहीं है, राइट? सिंपल, बस नंबर ऑफ ब्लू बॉल्स यू हैव टू एज्यूम एंड देन यू कैन गेट द आंसर. And what is probability of blue ball? So how many blue balls are there? X. Favorable divided by total number of balls is 5 plus x. Okay. Now what is saying that probability of drawing a blue ball is thrice that of a red ball. So x upon 5 plus x is equal to 3 times of 5 upon 5 plus x, right? So you can find value of x easily, right? So what is your answer? Right, it's simple. 5 plus x will cancel out, so x is what? 15. Okay, so if you are getting questions like that, right, so you just need to write the probability by assuming the number of balls, and then certain condition would be given to you and you can find the answer easily, right? Okay, so बेसिकली अब इतना जो मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किया प्रोबेबिलिटी में, तो आई हैव गिवन यू आइडिया ऑफ पॉइंट्स एंड डाइस एंड कार्ड्स एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी इजी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज ओनली फॉर one card drawn, one ball is drawn, right? Only thing is what you need to understand, what is total number of cases and what are your favorable cases in that. That's it, right? Okay, so with this I am ending the session here. I hope आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा प्रोबेबिलिटी में किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं. एंड one more thing, if you are doing practice of questions based on probability, तो more likely since it is class 8th 9th 10th basically, right? So आपको टू, जैसे deck of cards है, तो उसमें जनरली दे विल नॉट आस्क यू क्वेश्चन की 3 कार्ड्स आर ड्रॉन एट रैंडम और 2 कार्ड्स आर ड्रॉन. जनरली दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चन ऑन 1 कार्ड ड्रॉन एट रैंडम, राइट? Okay, because if they do not do this 2 cards 3 cards, then NCR will come in the picture, but which is part of permutation combination, and I don't think that they are going to ask questions based on that. Okay, chali, all right then. Do revise the things and practice as many questions as you can from your 9th and 10th book, right, based on probability. Okay, chali, okay, all right, thank you.